something, you can't expect them to do wonders in the branch. आप रोज बताएंगे ब्रांच कस्टमर्स को अच्छे से हैंडल करना, आज तुमने कितने खुश आदमी भेजे या कितने कस्टमर से क्रॉस रेफरेंस लिए, वो सब उसको तोड़ के छोटे मेजरेबल पोर्शंस में नहीं देंगे तो काम नहीं होगा। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस। अभी आज हमको ही अलग बिठा दे, कोई पोर्टफोलियो ना देके तो हमारी भी जिंदगी खत्म है ना। वी कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग बिकॉज we do not know what to do to contribute to the organization. So that is from the junior most level to the senior most. The purpose has to be given to people very clearly defined.
Professor Gautam's lecture was very, very excellent. We have read so many things in books of management, but two things which are never written in any book are the sense of humor by executive work. In Indian tradition has the concept of never, never, never give up. These two things we have learned and we will implement.
And he brought them out so beautifully and in such an interesting manner.
In our bank's context, when faces of our employees are missing a smile, then this edition will do a lot of things. It will ease tension, it will bring more comfortable environment, and, definitely. And keep on trying, but never become disheartening.
And you talked about professional integrity. Then knowing yourself, so many concepts he narrated.
Even Dr. Kavita, she was also saying.
Good. I'm so happy everyone has a good feedback on the program. Probably we'll do some repetition. You all must also talk about it. When we give a group of 20 or 30 here, any feedback, we expect it will multiply into 30.
Yes.
30 into 30. Each one should be talking about it to next 30 people, so that the message spreads across. And more people can have the benefit of the knowledge and the experience that you all had here.
Madam, one question is coming to my mind.
Yeah.
Just now you said that we should discuss the
Appraisal.
Yeah. Then why this is not applicable to scale 4? Why the scale 4 this appraisal?
Probably it will come.
Kept
Probably it will come. See, in my life, when I was a senior manager also, I used to discuss with my officers. There is one officer sitting here, he will vouch for it. I used to tell somebody why I have given somebody very good, I have given somebody good. At that point, the disclosures were not mandatory. But my purpose is not solved, no? मैंने आपका काम मुझे पसंद नहीं है, मैंने गुड या satisfactory लिख के रख दिया, तो मेरा पर्पस क्या हुआ? तुम तो वहीं के वहीं रहना. If I want the person to improve and give me a better performance, be a better worker in my branch, I need to tell you very like. If basically we are not, I am totally with you. Why should it not be? And we should start from where we are. At the point where you all are, you must start sharing. Whether it is a scale 4 under you or a scale 3 under you, you must start sharing, because seeing in HRMS is different. Talking one to one is entirely different.
Of course.
And the improvisations come only when you are talking on it. If you are thinking it is a subject which is not to be touch me not, then nothing happens more. Then you are where you are.
Scale 4 and above, they do not have access in the academic.
At the moment they don't have, but it is coming. Let me tell you, it is a ministry guideline also that you have to make it one submission online. It has to come, and second it should be. It is coming. It is another point to know is only in our bank up to scale 3 people can see manager. It is only PNB. No other bank is disclosing. And since we have done for the juniors, there is no reason not doing for the seniors. And I think उतना तो हम लोगों में हिम्मत और होना चाहिए कि हम अपने कलीग्स को बता सकें. कोई रेटिंग दिए तो किस लिए दिए और हम उनसे और क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं फॉर अ बेटर रेटिंग.
It is better for the registrars also.
It is better for everyone. See, at the point आप अपने एरिया के चेयरमैन हो ना, आपको उन लोगों से काम लेना है, तो आप उनको अच्छा कैसे करना है नहीं गाइड करेंगे या बताएंगे नहीं. आपका तो फिर वही कम्युनिकेशन गैप्स रह जाएंगे. वो सोचेगा मेरे से अच्छा कोई नहीं है, तो आप तो मेरे को बहुत मानते हैं. कई लोग ऐसे होते हैं बड़े अंधकार में रहते हैं, तो आप तो मुझे बहुत मानते हैं, हमेशा मेरे कंधे पे हाथ रखते हो, पता नहीं. तो वो जब तक हम पूरे से नहीं बताएंगे कि ये मैं चाहता था, तुमने इतना ही किया, तो कैसे कोई इम्प्रूव करेगा. अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट विल ओनली कम if we are discussing on the approach. I don't think it should be a problem, sir. I think we will be coming to that to answer your point.
Promotion process in 13, madam, this year PAF will be taken into account?
I didn't get your question.
In the promotion process to be held in 13, whether the PAF for the year 12...
Absolutely. Because the time frames have been set. See, last time was a change in the process. whereby the appraisal submission could not be done in time. In fact, it is still outstanding. And my request to people, wherever you are, you ensure submission of all the appraisals in your vicinity offices. Because this time we are still completing the 11, 12 appraisals. But next time it will be a time frame within which you are to submit, or otherwise an ex-party assessment is to be done by the management. Although there are three parts now, no? There is a, your self-appraisal, then appraising authority, then reviewing authority, then accepting authority, three levels are there. But it has to be completed within a time frame and has to be given cognizance in the next promotion process. It has to come. तो इसलिए खूब सारी मेहनत करी इस बार के नंबर काम आएंगे नहीं पिछले साल तक हम ले ही रहते एक सिर्फ 12 में मिस हुआ हाँ जी और कुछ
Tell me a secret. I joined inspection and control in 91 as a assistant inspector, and you were there as senior manager programming. And you are maintaining the same sense of humor and same activeness.
I totally enjoy my job. I totally enjoy my job. I think in a group earlier I talked in this place was if you keep me in office 6 to 9 for some work or I go for a movie. Both are an equal amount of enjoyment for me. I enjoy that part also. It is not that I am not fond of movies and outings. I enjoy that part also fully. And I thoroughly enjoy it.
That is what principal were telling you. While you do, you enjoy that.
Then it is no more a work for you. If you are enjoying what you are doing.
It didn't learn from anybody else, it is self-made.
It is.
That I am certifying.
See what happens as a student, जब गर्मी की छुट्टियों में लोग बात खेलते कूदते थे तो मैं जो अखबार होता है ना, if you see newspaper is a very good pressy writing thing. They give 2 lines heading giving the gist of what has happened, then 4 lines, then 8 lines, and then full detail of news. So I was so fond of making pressy out of those news. When children will be playing, I would be writing that pressy and enjoying it thoroughly. Not that as a work anybody asks me. So it becomes a habit with you. You start doing something and enjoying something. In summer vacation, वो मेरा past time होता था. Pressy writing from newspaper, and then see how well I can, whether I have been able to get the gist.
Why you are so fast in reading and disposing of the files?
It doesn't matter how you become. So, there was somebody who says he doesn't want to work because he's pursuing some interest within the family. And very difficult for the parents because 30-year-old boy, he's not doing any job and he's, wanting to pursue some interest. So I just sat with him and talked to him for 1-2 hours. I said, even I was very fond of painting, commercial art. But in those days, these oil paints will be very expensive, canvas will be very expensive. And एक खरीदा तो 6 महीने में एक पेंटिंग बनेगी. इतने पैसे होते थे, मतलब ठीक है. I was a daughter of a class 1 officer, but at the end of the day, बच्चों की पढ़ाई लिखाई पूरी तनख्वाह महीने तक खत्म हो जाती है. And this was a luxury to have oil paints and canvas. So I always used to think कि पहले नौकरी लग जाए ना फिर इंटरेस्ट परस्यू करेंगे. पर नौकरी लगने के बाद नौकरी में इंटरेस्ट हो गया, इंटरेस्ट परस्यू हो. So as you grow, whatever you are doing, if you start enjoying, that becomes your, basically your hobby, your pastime, or full time, whatever you call it a job. If we call it a job, it is, it is mundane. But if we call it our passion, enjoyment, then it is something to enjoy. Anything else? We close. I have taken a lot of your time on a Saturday.
You are giving a lot of your time.
Thank you very
We are
much.
thankful to you for sparing your valuable time at such an Saturday. Thank you very much for your time.
LMS का जरा बता देना ना सबको, थोड़ा LMS कराया करिए अपने लोगों को. इतना मेहनत से ट्रेनिंग सिस्टम ने तैयार किया है.
This is an exercise on psychological capital. Please do it.